So, gusto mong mas malaking loan para sa mas magandang bahay ang mabili mo? Well, here's how to increase your chances. First, increase your income. Mas mataas ang income is equals to mas malaki ang loan. Pwede tayong magdagdag ng side hustle or co-borrower. Second is decrease your debts. So first, bayaran muna natin yung ibang mga utang. Mas mababa yung liabilities natin, mas maganda yung tingnan nito sa application natin. Third is let us improve your credit score. Always pay on time. Huwag po tayong magpa-late sa late credit cards or other loans. Fourth is bigger down payment. Kung mas malaki ang down payment mo, mas maliit ang kailangan mong utangin, so mas madali po tayong ma-approve for a higher amount. Planuhin po natin ito ng maayos at pasok ka na sa dream home mo. Ready ka na bang magpa-assess? Message me. This is your millennial agent and I help first-time home buyers buy their dream homes hassle-free.